10 kinds of funding any startup can get. What can a startup do? Fortunately, there are options. Any startup can get many of these. The idea is to play to your strengths and the company's strengths. There is funding to match. Accounts receivable financing. Use your outstanding account receivables for financing. Get as much as 80% of receivables advanced ongoing in less than 24 hours. Remainder of the accounts receivable is released once the invoice is paid in full. Closing takes 2 weeks or less. Factor rates as low as 1.33%. You can get an accounts receivable credit line with rates of less than 1% with no consumer credit requirement. Receivables should be with the government or another business. If you also have purchase orders, then you can get financing to have those filled. You won't need to use your cash flow to do so. Let's recap. A startup usually can't get a conventional loan, but there are several other types of financing they can get. Try unsecured financing or credit cards, or secure a loan with collateral. Use securities, a 401k, or accounts receivable as collateral. Inventory and equipment can also serve as collateral. Build business credit because it will help your company for years to come. More options are SBA startup loans and crowdfunding if you have a product which will get donors excited. There are more startup loans, sometimes from VC companies. Also check your alma mater and consider trying for government grants. Contact us today to learn more about 10 kinds of funding any startup can get.